How to disable Copilot in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then click on File at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on Options at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on Copilot, which is the fourth option. After you click on Copilot, press on Enable Copilot. Make sure there is no tick mark in Enable Copilot, and then press on OK at the bottom. After you have done that, Copilot will be disabled and also it will be removed from the ribbon. And this is how to disable Copilot in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.